We are unboxing the 1,400 pound Alpha Series magnet from Centurion Magnetics. This is a clamp style magnet. Now let's get it unboxed. All right, got it out of the sleeve. Now let's break it open. Got a little pull tab here. Pop it open. All right, there we go. Got the little Centurion Magnetics piece here. On the back, again, it's just a story about their company and everything like that. Welcome to the team. Centurion's awesome. Here we go. Take this little piece of foam out. Don't need that. And then, of course, we have the tutorial and video access again. This has the stuff about basic setup regarding the magnet, applying a thread locker, all that good stuff. And then, of course, you can scan this to access some tutorial videos about the magnet itself. Awesome. And then, of course, what is a Centurion box without having an awesome stickers and decals? There we go. Oh yeah. And then, of course, we're down to the good stuff. You got the eyelet here that will go into the magnet. And then, of course, we got the clamp. So this is the 1,400 pound Alpha Series magnet from Centurion, also known as a clamp style magnet. There you go, look at the awesome Centurion logo right there. It's so beautiful, such a beautiful magnet. So there we go. So this is 1,400, which means it is 700 pounds on both sides. But we got a beautiful double-sided magnet here, so 700 pound pull power on each side. The cool thing about clamp magnets is they have a stronger magnetic field around them than normal magnets. So that's what makes this clamp magnet special. So you got that, you got the hole where the eyelet goes right here, and then there we go. But absolutely beautiful, gorgeous magnet from Centurion. Really excited about this one, guys, but there you go. Alright, we are unboxing the Centurion Magnetics 2,400 pound dual series magnet. Alright, super excited about this. Let's bust it open. Alright, let's pop it open. Alright, first thing we find in here, got the Centurion tag here. Okay, it says, welcome to the team. Give you a little description, about their company and all that good stuff. Fantastic company, that's right. Next thing you see is a tutorial and video access. So basically, these are just like videos and help stuff in regards to how to do like thread locker and everything as well. You can scan this QR code to access some tutorial videos about the magnet itself. There we go. Then of course, what's a Centurion kit without the Centurion sticker? There we go. All right, now let's get this foam out of here. Don't need that. Don't need that. All right, first thing we see is you got an extra eye in case you lose their other one. So that's always great to have. Then of course, the magnet itself. It's a heavy puppy. So this is a 2,400 pound double-sided magnet, which means each side has 1,200 pound pull power. It is a very powerful magnet. It is not a toy. Here we go. They have a nice little pouch that comes in. That's awesome. Here's the magnet. Look at that beautiful specimen. So we got double-sided here, so you can put it on one side to use it as like a single-sided to drop down off docks and etc. Or you can take that eye, put it here, and use it as a double side for more like dragging and stuff as well. But look at this beautiful design. Look at that, so pretty. We got the bottle thread locker. Super, super important. You want to make sure you apply this to the threads here. Let that set about 24 hours before you take this magnet out. So, but there we go. That is a Centurion 2,400 pound dual-sided magnet. What a beautiful magnet.